My students, how are you? Today we will solve questions about choose. Okay, final revision. Okay, my students, look at question number 1. Choose the correct answer. The ratio between the two numbers 3 and 9 is. If you want to find the ratio between them, we must write the first to second and divide it by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. And 9 divided by 3 equal 3. Then the ratio will be 1 over 3. We must choose 1 over 3. Question number 2. If 7 over 2 equal 21 over x, then x equal. We know 7 times 3 equal 21. Then 2 times 3 equals 6. Then x must be equal 6. So we must choose 6 here about this example. Question number 3. The following data are descriptive except the favorite color, address, age. We know age not descriptive except not descriptive, but age was quantitative data. Okay, so the following data are descriptive except the age, because age contain of digits and numbers, such as at age 13 years old or 15 years old. Question number 4. 4,200,000 cubic centimeter equal space cubic meter. We want to convert from cubic centimeter to cubic meter divided by what? We must divide it by million. Look at here. We have here centimeter and meter. If you want to convert from centimeter to meter, you must divide it by 100. But if you want to convert from cubic centimeter to cubic meter, you must divide it by 1 million. So we can cancel here 3 digits and 2 digits, and the result will be 4.2 because we will divide it by 1 million. Divided by million, we can cancel 50 by 50. The result will be 42 over 10. 42 divided by 10, the point must be after 1 digit. So we must write 4.2. The result will be 4.2 cubic meter. Question number 5. A cube, the perimeter of its base 36 centimeter is volume equal cubic centimeter. We want to find here the length or the edge. The edge equal perimeter divided by 4, because the base of cube is a square. Square has 4 sides or 12 sides about cube. The base has 4 sides. So the edge will be the perimeter divided by 4. 36 divided by 4 equal 9. It's the edge. You want to find the volume. The volume equal edge power 3 or cubic edge. Edge times edge times edge. 9 multiply 9 multiply 9 equal 729. It's the volume about cube. Okay, the volume about cube. Cubic edge. 9 times 9 times 9 because the edge was 9 centimeter. Okay, because the perimeter of its base 36, we know its base was square. Okay, square has 4 sides are equal in length. Question 6. 5 milliliter convert to cubic centimeter. We must multiply by 1000 to convert from liter to milliliter, but we have milliliter equal cubic centimeter, so we must write 5. If the teacher change the question from liter to milliliter, you must multiply by 1000, but in this example we must write 5 only here. Question number 7. 9 over 10 equal space percent. We must convert from fraction to percent. Multiply by 100 and divide 100. 9 over 10 multiply 100 or percent. We know 100 divided by 20 equal 5. 5 times 9 equal 45. The result will be 45%. Question number 8. the volume of the cuboid whose dimension 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and 50 centimeter equal. You want to find the volume. The volume equal length times width times height. 20 multiply by 30 multiply by 50. We can write 30 here. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 equal 6 times 5 equal 30. The result will be 30,000 cubic centimeter. And he want to find the result in cubic decimeter. Divided by 1000 to convert from cubic centimeter to cubic decimeter, the result will be 30. So we must choose here 30. Write 30 here. The result will be 30. Question number 9. 500 gram equal, or we want to find the ratio about 500 gram and 1.5 kilogram. We know 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram and 1.5 equal 1500. Then the result will be 500 to 1500. We can divide it by 500 to simplify it. So the ratio will be 1 and 1500 divided by 500 equal 3. Then the result will be 1, 2, 3. Question number 10. 4.6 liter to space milliliter. We must multiply by 1000. 4.6 multiplied by 1000. We must move the point to right hand side by 3 digits. The result will be 4,600. 4,600 milliliter. We must here, just here, 1, 2, 3, and this example 4,600. 4,600. Okay. Question 11. The length of rectangle whose area equal 24 square centimeter is 6 centimeters. The ratio between the perimeter of its length equal space. You want to find the ratio between perimeter and length. We want to find the first what? We have the length, but we haven't the width. We can find the width here by divided area by length. The length was 6. 24 divided by 6 equal 4. So the width will be 4 centimeter. Then you can find the perimeter by length multiply width equal area, but perimeter equal length plus width multiplied by 2. We can find the perimeter about rectangle length plus width multiplied by 2. Length here was 6 centimeter and width was 4 centimeter. 6 plus 4 equal 10. 10 times 2 equal 20. Then the perimeter will be 20 centimeter. So the ratio between perimeter to its length will be 20 to 6. Why? Because the perimeter, we get the perimeter here 20 centimeter and he gave us the length was 6 centimeter. So you can divide it by 2 to simplify it. 20 divided by 2 equal 10. And 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Then the ratio will be 10 to 3. The ratio about the perimeter, about rectangle and its length, 10 to 3. The ratio about them, 10 to 3. Okay. Question number 2, 12. If the drawing scale is 1 to 1000, 1 to 2000, it's the drawing scale, and the real length equal 20 meter. He give us the real length. Then the drawing length equal space centimeter. We can solve this example by the rule. We know drawing scale equals the ratio between drawing length to drawing in real. He gave us the drawing scale was 1 to 1000, 1 to 2000, and he gave us the real length 20 meter. Real length 20 meter. We want to find drawing length here. We can find the result by multiplication by 20 meter to 1 divided by 1000. I will complete it here. X equal 20 multiplied by 1 over 2000. Okay, 1 times 20 divided 2000 to find what drawing length. I refers it by x, right, unknown here. And we can convert from meter to centimeter divided by 100. Okay, convert from meter to centimeter. Here, multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. So we can cancel double zero by double zero, and 20 divided by 20 equal 1. So the result will be 1 centimeter. It's easy or not? Again, I convert here from meter to centimeter, multiply by 100. So the result here will be 2000. 2000 divided 2000 equal 1. So the drawing scale was 1 to 2000 and real length 20 meter. So you can find exactly the drawing length here by converting from meter to centimeter by multiply 100, and then write the product of extremes equals the product of means to find the drawing in length will be 1 centimeter. You must choose here 1 centimeter. Question 13. If x over 18 equal 10%, then x equal. We can find x by find the result about product of means equal product of means. We can find 10% equal 10 over 100. So you can write here x over 18 equal 10 over 100, and then find x. About this example, the product of extremes equal product of means. So x will be 10 times 10 times 18 over 100. Okay, x equal 18 multiplied by 10%, or x equal 10 multiply 18 over 100. You can simplify it by cancel 0 here by 0. The result will be 18 over 10. 18 over 10. We can divide it by 2. The result will be 9 over 5. So x will be 9 over 5. We must choose 9 over 5 as example. Again, x equal 18 multiply 10%. 10% is meaning 10 over 100. So x will be 18 times 10 over 100. The result will be 9 over 5. We must choose 9 over 5 about this example. Question 14. The antecedent on the ratio 3 over 7 is space. We want to find antecedent. Antecedent here was 3. We called it antecedent, and 7 is consequent number here. So the antecedent over consequent equal 3 over 7. He asked about antecedent about the ratio 3 over 7. It will be 3. If a to b equal 3 to 5 and b to c equal 2 over 5, then a to c, he want to find the ratio between a and c here. We can write the ratio a and b and c. He give us the ratio between a, b, and b to 3 and 5, and b to c equal 2 and 5. We can find cross about 3 times 2 equals 6, and 2 times 5 equal 10, and 5 times 5 equal 25. Then the ratio will be 6, 10 to 5. 6 to 10 to 5. He want to find the ratio between a and c. So a will be 6 and c will be 25. We can write here 6 and 25. We must choose letter A here. Okay. Look at next page here. Complete each of the following. Comparing between two quantities from the same kind is called space. The ratio we called the ratio. Okay, we must know the definition. The ratio is comparing between two quantities from the same kind. Okay, it's called the ratio. Ratio is comparing between two quantities from the same kind. It's called the ratio. We call the ratio it. Number 2, comparing between two quantities of different kind is called what? It's called the rate. It's called the rate. The rate. Okay, the rate. It's comparing between two quantities different kinds. But if two quantities was the same kinds, we called it the ratio. Okay. Question number 3. The equality of two ratio or more is called proportion. We called the proportion. We called it the proportion. Okay, the equality between two ratio or more is called proportion. Question number 4. The ratio between the length of drawing and the length in reality is called drawing skill. We called it drawing skill. The ratio between the length of drawing and the length in reality is called drawing skill. Question number 5. Dividing a thing with a given ratio is called, we called it what? Dividing a thing with a given ratio. It's called proportion division. We called it proportion division. Question number 6. Okay, again, dividing a thing with a given ratio is called proportion division. Question number 6. The ratio of the second term is 100. It's called the percent. We called it percentage. Percentage, okay. The parallelogram in which one angle is right is called a rectangle. We called it a rectangle. Question number 8. The parallelogram whose two adjacent sides are equal lengths and its diagonal are perpendicular is called a rhombus. Again, a parallelogram whose two adjacent sides are equal lengths and its two diagonal are perpendicular is called a rhombus. We called it a rhombus. Question number 9. The diagonals bisect each other and are equal lengths in each of space and space. We called about diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other and are equal lengths in square and rectangle. Of a square, okay, square and a rectangle. Square and rectangle. Two diagonal bisect each other and equal lengths at square and rectangle. The ratio between half, fourth first, and third and half equal space to 6. We can find the ratio between three number here by multiplication by 12, because 12 is the least common multiplication between three terms. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So this example, we can find the result here by multiplication 12 or term. Question 11. The rectangle is a parallelogram in which space? He asked about rectangle is a parallelogram. The definition. So in which each angle is right. Okay, in which one angle is right? In which one angle is right? Okay, the rectangle is a parallelogram in which one angle is right. Question 12. The volume of cuboid 200 cubic centimeter. Its base length is 5 centimeter and its width 4 centimeter. Then its height, we can find the height about the volume over multiplication about length times width. Area of the base here, it's meaning length times width. So the height will be 200 here, the volume, over area of the base length times width, 5 times 4. The result will be 200 over 20. 200 divided by 20 equal what? Equal 10 centimeter. So the height here will be 10 centimeter. Question 13. If x plus 12 over 8 equal 4, then x equal. We can solve this example by multiplication. The product of extremes equals the product of means. Then x plus 12 times 1, it will be x plus 12 equal 4 times 8 equal 32. And then we can find x by subtract between them. 32 subtract by 12. It will be what? 3 minus 1 equal 2, 2 minus 2 equals 0. The result will be 20. Then x will be 20. Question 14. is the first price of average 2,400 and its selling price equal to 1,688 pounds. This is the percentage of profit. We can find here the price was 2,400 and he sell it. Its selling price 2,000. So we can find the profit. The profit equals difference between price and selling. Here, first the total here, 2,688 subtract by 2,400 to find the percent. Okay, about profit. 8 minus 0 equal 8, 8 minus 0 equal 8, 6 minus 4 equal 2, so the result will be 288. So the percentage of the profit will be 288 over the price. Cost price here 2,400 and we can multiplication them by 100 to find the result. We can cancel double zero by double zero here. 288 divided by 24. The result will be what? 4 times 7 equal 28. 8 and carry up 2. 2 times 7 equal, and here 28 divided by 24 equal 1. And the remainder 4. 48 divided by 24 equal 2. The result will be 12%. The profit, the percentage of profit will be 12%. We can find the profit first and then divide the profit over by the cost price multiplication by 100 to find the profit. Percentage of profit will be 12%. 12%. Question 15. The ratio between 12 karat and 1 faddan. We know 1 faddan equal 24 karat, so we can write 12 to 24 and then divided by 12 to find the ratio. 12 divided by 12 equal 1. 24 divided by 12 equal 2. Then the ratio will be 1 over 2 or 1 to 2. 12.5% equals space over 8. We can convert from percentage to fraction by simplest it. Look at with me. 12.5 over 100. We can simplify it by multiplication 10 to numerator and denominator. The result will be 125 and here will be 1000. And then we can divide it by 125. 125 here. Who can solve it? This example, 125 equal 125 equal 1. 125, 100. 25 divided 125 equal 1. 1000 divided 125 equal 8. Then the result will be 1 over 8. Okay, 1 over 8. Question 17. The marks of 6 pupils in one of tests are 36, 40, 60, 33, 25, 49. In the range. For this markers, he want to find the range. We can find the range by the greatest number and the smallest number. We can find the subtract of them. The greatest here was 60 degree. So we can write 60 subtract by the least number here is degree was 25. 10 minus 5 equal 5. 5 minus 2 equal 3. Then the range will be 35. If the dimensions of cuboid are equal, then it's called a cube. We called it a cube. If the dimension of cuboid equal, then it's called a cube. We called it a cube. Question number 19. The perimeter of one face of a cube is 2 meters. Its volume equal space cubic centimeter. We can find it. 2 multiply 2 multiply by 2 equal 8 cubic meter. We want to convert from cubic meter to cubic centimeter by multiply 1000. The result will be 8000. Question 20. 18% of 300, it will be 18 over 100 multiply 300. We can cancel double zero by double zero, and 3 times 18, 3 times 8 equal 24. Write 4 and carry up 2. 1 times 3 equal 3 plus 2 equal 5. The result will be 45. So the result here 45. Question 21. The length in drawing equal drawing skull multiply drawing a real. we can write length in real. Question 22. The number 6, x, 10, 3 are proportional. Then x equal, we can find x about product about extremes equal product of means. 3 times 6 equal 18 divided by 10 equal 1.8. Or you can write 6 over x equal 10 over 3. 3 times 6 equal 18. 18 divided 10 equal 1.8. Question 23. The cube has 6 faces and 12 edges. Question 24. 15% of a number equal 90, then the number equal. We can find the number by divided the result here by the percent. The result will be 90 divided by 15%. We can write 90 here divided by 15, 100 over 100. And we can simplify it by write 90 multiply 100 over 15. We can write the inverse about this fraction, convert from divided to multiplication, and find the inverse about this number. And we can find the result here by simplest. 90 multiply by 100 over 15. Okay, 15 divided by 5 equal 3. 100 divided by 5 equal 20. 90 divided by 3 equal 30. 30 times 20 equals 600. Okay, again 100 divided by 5 here, again 15 divided by 5 equal 3. 100 divided by 5, then the number will be 20 plus 30 equals 600. Okay, then the number will be here 600. Okay, a number will be 600. Look at here, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 here. 1 plus 2 equal 3, 3 plus 3 equal 6, 6 plus 4 equal 10, 10 plus 5 equal 15. We must draw here 15. This space 1, 2, 3, 4 will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And here 0, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. The result will be here 15 point. Question 26. If the length of drawing is 3 centimeter and length in real life equals 6 kilometer, then the drawing scale is equal space to space. We can find drawing length to drawing in real. Okay, drawing scale equal drawing length to drawing a real. We have here drawing length 3 centimeter and drawing length 6 kilometer. We can convert from kilometer to centimeter multiplied by 100,000 and then divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 600,000 divided by 3 equal 200,000. The ratio will be 1 to 200,000. The range of distribution equal the maximum value subtract the minimum value. It is the range. The range equal the maximum value subtract the minimum value. Okay, the maximum value subtract by the minimum value. Next question here. In the opposite figure, you want to find the measure of angle X and L and the parameter. Okay, look at here. Measure of angle X equal 120 because 120 plus 100 plus 60 equal 180. this angle, the measure of the angle will be 120 because its opposite angle are equal in measure, and y equals 60 degrees, and 6 L here, measure of it equals 60 degree. And parameter of parallelogram, we can find 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. 10 plus 6 equals 16 centimeter. It's a parameter about parallelogram. Next question here. In the opposite figure, we want to find the measure of angle ADC. Look at here, ADC. ADC is angle, and he give us measure of angle ACD 75. This angle 75. This side will be 7 centimeter opposite here, and it will be 75 degree alternate angle. It was 4.5 centimeter, and this side will be 4.5 centimeter. This side 4 centimeter, and this side 4 centimeter here. Okay, and this angle was 35. We can find the measure about D by 835 plus 75, and the result subtract from 180 because the sum of interior angle in each triangle equal 180. We have triangle here ADC, measure of angle A plus measure of angle C. It will be what? The result right here about measure of angle ADC, 180, subtract the sum of them, 35 plus 75, 35 plus 75. We can 85 here, 40 plus 70 equal 110. 110 subtract 180 equal be 70 degrees. This angle 180 subtract by sum of them, 75 plus 35, 75 plus 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 4 plus 7 equal 11. Okay, I will change this sign here because it was wrong. Okay, it will be 25 and 25 and 35. It was wrong here. Okay, so we must change this sign here to will be 25. Again, this angle 25 and this angle 35. Sum of them 5 plus 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 4 plus 2 equals 6. It will be 60, 180 minus 60, it will be 120 because it's obtuse angle. So we must clear this digit here from 7 to convert it, yeah, okay? And this angle will be 25 alternate angle. This angle will be 35. Measure of angle here ADC, ADC will be 120 degree. And measure of angle CAB, look at here, CAB, it will be 25. Alternate angle here, 25. The parameter of triangle ABD equal AB plus BD plus DA. AB, where AB 4 centimeter, plus PD, here 4.5 plus 4.5 equal 9, plus DA equal 7. 4 plus 9 equal 13. 13 plus 7 equal 20 centimeter.